every few days I come across a different Linux distro I didn't know existed, and I had no idea, like, at all. So I came across Plop Linux. And Plop Linux is an independent Linux distribution that has been around since 2003 and seems to make use of, well, it's independent and it doesn't seem to use systemd at all. And the whole idea behind it is from the developer is it's what advanced Linux uses. You can do a desktop install. You can use it as a server, to host whatever you want to. In my case, though, at least for today, it does look like it uses XFCE as a desktop environment. So I've decided to go and download the live disk, so we can just take a glance at it. Distros, but I think in this case I'll just run it live. Use starttext to use Xorg. Wow. I haven't had to type startx in the distribution in a very, very, very long time. Okay, and here, oh, that was quick. And I guess here's Plop, using XFCE. Okay. Wow, that was something else. What are these? Just nothing? Okay. So we have applications, settings manager, display. Let's at least get the resolution right. And quite understandably, XFCE, this is extremely quick. Looking at the task manager, you'll see we're only using about 480 megs of RAM, you could say. No CPU usage, 1%. As I always say, it's not doing anything, but under accessories, of course, you've got XF Burn, you've got LeafPad to take those quick notes. You've got GVerm, you've got Calculator. What is this? Oh, that's just to minimize the app like that. Normal screenshot, XF Burn if you need to create a couple of disks. Under development, Bluefish editor. Okay. That has some really old school icons there. Genie, GHX. Graphics. What is geeky? This must be another old type of image viewer. Suggest me or does this app have that old the system used an old Ubuntu Brown theme rocking like it's 2008? I'm sure this was the Ubuntu color scheme many, many years ago. I mean, I'm not complaining. It's just, it's so old. That's color scheme now. It's retro. Blender's installed. Oh, this is the. Oh, that's what this is. Okay, where the app menu goes. That's fine. Okay, I'm going to quit this. I'm not going to try to render in Blender. Don't want my PC to blow up. Internet, you've got GFTP. Really decent FTP client, this one. If you still need to use FTP. NetSurf web browser, Plop's website. Okay, and as you can see here, it uses Vivaldi by default. It's an interesting choice. Very interesting choice to use something like Vivaldi. I only say that, again, not Firefox Chromium, so good to see something stand out a little bit. Oh, this is, of course, a mail client. So feed, POP3, Gmail, IMAP, 4. Really old school looking. VNC 11 server, so of course construct VNC server up there. ZenMap. Multimedia auto mixer. Okay, just standard ulcer by the looks of it. Office, really like just a dictionary, document viewer. And under system, GTK offline registry. What? Okay. I don't know what this is. Alright. And tint 2. What is tint? Okay, nothing happened there. Okay, well, let's, look at the appearance side of things for a bit. Well, thankfully with something like this, if you wanted to, could always change it. It's definitely got that old, as I already said, that old Ubuntu look at it. So, yeah, folks, there's really not too much to go on over here. Of course, we prelogged in using root. So with great power comes great responsibility. If you want to experiment with this, I'd first advise doing it in a virtual machine like this and using the live disk. And if after that you're really interested, maybe look at moving to install it in the virtual machine using the install image and that. But for now, folks, this was just a super quick look. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.